In this video, I will show you how to find the .bashrc file in Ubuntu using the terminal. Let's start by opening the terminal. You can press Ctrl, Alt and T at the same time, or search for terminal in your applications and click it. Now, let's go to your home directory. To do that, type this command, cd tilde, then press Enter. This will take you to your home folder. Next, we want to see all files, including the hidden ones. Hidden files in Linux start with a dot. To see them, type ls-a, then press Enter. You will now see a list of files. Look for a file called .bashrc in the list. This file is used to set up your terminal every time you open it. It can store aliases, environment variables, and other settings. If you want to view what's inside the file, you can type cat.bashrc. This will print the contents of the file in the terminal. If you want to edit the file, type nano.bashrc. This will open the file in a simple text editor. You can use the arrow keys to move around. To save your changes, press Ctrl and O, then press Enter. To exit, press Ctrl and X. And that's it. You now know where the .bashrc file is and how to view or edit it using the terminal in Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.